So now, as we have just discussed, we want to solve a problem which will derive a particular string. This is our grammar. These are the set of rules. And now what we have done, we have separated out and numbered all the rules in a given grammar, and now we are interested in deriving this particular string using the leftmost derivation. Now for leftmost derivation we need to start with the start symbol. So out of this we are selecting first rule, right, and we have written down this production. Now as we want to do leftmost derivation, right, so we need to derive the terminals from the leftmost non-terminal. So leftmost non-terminal is A. So from all these three rules we have to select again a suitable rule which can help us to derive this particular string. So here which rule will be suitable? So we want this A. So which particular out of these three, directly we are not finding A. So directly we are not getting A, but if we choose this particular, again we will stop with A, B, A, where we want after A again once again A. So here we have two options then remaining, S, B, A and S, S. If we go for S, S, then we need to have these two options. Now we want B and single A. So which is the suitable rule? This will be the suitable rule. So we will be using next rule as A, then using rule 3 I am replacing this A by the SBA, okay, and this S will be written as it is, okay. So for this we have now production as SBA using which rule? Rule 3. Next, so now will we able to get the next A? Yes, we can get next A by using rule 2. So again, what is the, which is the leftmost non-terminal? Leftmost non-terminal is this S. So for this S we will be using second rule and we will be getting A, then B, then capital A and S. So here by using which rule we got this production? We got it using the rule 2. Next, are we approaching to our requirement? So B. Now we want again BAA. So again we are getting the non-terminal which is A. So again we have to choose suitable one. So B we have already got. We want second B, right? So second B is possible only with this particular rule, right? So I will write B, and for this A we will be having derivation as BA, okay, using which rule? Rule 5. After this, and the S will be written. So here for this A we have, sorry, not this, this BA. For this A we have a BA and S. Now we are very close to our requirement. So A, and we want now only S to be replaced. So here I will be writing B, A, and here we have a rule 2 which is deriving the small a from the non-terminal S. So using rule 2 again we can get, so finally we have reached to the expected derived string. So we can say that S with the multiple steps could derive AA. So I hope this is clear using the leftmost derivation. Similarly, now we want to apply the rightmost derivation. So for rightmost derivation we will be writing again the derivation process. So very first, as usual, as I have told you, S produces. Now which rule we need to use out of this? So again the choice is the same choice, that is we need to use the rule 1. So rule 1 is A, capital A, S, using rule 1, right? Next rule is So our next rule will be what we should use. So now this is a rightmost derivation. So rightmost derivation means we need to convert or we need to derive a string from the which one? From the rightmost non-terminal, which is S. So for S we have how many productions? We have productions as AAS and this. Now what do you say? Which rule we should use? Whether we should use this rule or this rule? Now again, since we have just seen in the leftmost derivation, to get this last A, we have used this particular rule. And if we will use instead of this rule, this one, our string will get extended, which we don't want, right? So here, and it may be ending with this A, if we replace this S with A, but again at A level, what we will get? We will get this A plus this extra A, okay? So the choice is we should go for which rule? We should go for the rule which is the rule 2, right? So in rightmost derivation we have replaced non-terminal to rightmost non-terminal to terminals. Next is, now what is remaining with us? Only one non-terminal is remaining, which is A. So this A should be replaced by what we want. Now we have got this and A. We want something which can derive this particular string, okay? So out of these three, which rule we should go for? For the A replacement, so again we have to use some suitable one. So if I will write here for this the same rule, that is SBA, so my derivation will be like this, okay? So using which rule? So here we have used which rule? We have used the third rule, right? Next, S produces, now we got which one? The capital A as the rightmost what? Non-terminal. So we need to replace this rightmost terminal with the non-terminal with the terminal. So again which rule we will use, so that we will get again A in the rightmost side through the A. So from this we will have to use which rule for the replacement? So we will be using, again we are getting here BA at the end, right? So we will use again which rule? 5 rule. So A will be written as BA and this A. So which rule we have used? We have used 5th rule, right? Next, S produces. Now how many non-terminals are remaining? From the right hand side, terminal, 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 terminal. Only one non-terminal is remaining. So we need a proper replacement for this. So we are very close again. AA, BB from back side, if we are saying AA, BB, and we want only now A, so that we can get the expected string. So we will be replacing this A with S with the A by using the rule 2. Is it? Our rule 2 is S produces A. So we will write AA, BB, AA. So now we are able to derive the expected string using rightmost derivation as well. So I hope this is clear to you, how to derive a given string from the given grammar using the leftmost and rightmost derivation. Okay, so in final step we can write S derives AA, BB, AA using the rightmost derivation using this sequence of rules. So if you will observe, we have used similar rules, but their sequencing is different because our replacement of non-terminal to terminal is also different. So I hope this is clear to you.